Hello everybody, just here to tell you all about the letter O. So we are going to learn about our letter O here, which is kind of a fun letter because it kind of looks like a shape that we know too, right? Alright, so this is my letter O. We're going to go through of how it's written first, then we're going to go through the sounds and some words that start with the letter O. Alright, so if you see here, we have my uppercase O, and we have our lowercase o. And we're going to practice tracing those either in the sky or on like you would be writing it with a pencil. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start at the top. For the uppercase O, you want to start at that top line, and you trace around until you meet again. So kind of like the letter C, except this time you're going to connect it. Alright, let's do it together. Get ready. You're going to trace it like in the sky, like as I make my formation, you're going to do it in the sky. Alright, get ready. Around and connect. Let's do it again. Get ready. Around and connect. Again, get ready. Around and connect. And one more time, get ready. Around and connect. I'm going to do it with you. Get ready. Around and connect. Again. Around and connect. Alright. Same thing for lowercase c. So with lowercase c, it's kind of cute here. You're just going to start on that middle line and you're going to do the same formation. Around and connect. Except it's going to be a little shorter. We're going to do that together. Get ready. Around and connect. Again. Get ready. Around and connect. One more time. Get ready. Around and connect, and go ahead and do it. Around and connect. Okay, let's do it in the sky together. Get ready. Put this here. Around and connect. Again, around and connect. One more time. Around and connect. So that's how you write the letter O in the sky. I'm going to show you how you would write it in or on paper. So if you can see here, I do have my space for writing. I told you we're going to write 2 uppercase O's and 2 lowercase O's. So you want to start here on this top line and go around and connect. Alright, I'm going to make another one. Around and connect. And so we made our 2 uppercase O's. Now we want to make our small O's or our lowercase O's. You want to write that on the middle line. So start there. You're going to go around and connect, and one more time, around and connect. So if you want to practice making your O's, this is what they should end up looking like. But we're going to move on to the sound the letter O makes. So I'm going to read this quick story. It says O, uppercase, O, lowercase. And right here we have a picture of an ox and an otter. So listen for that O sound. We're going to have 2 sounds that O makes, but we're really listening for that ah sound. Oscar turns the lights on. Olive turns it off. Ah, ah, ah. Off and on, off and on. Did you hear what the letter O said? See if you can make that sound. So, most of you should have said, ah, ah, ah. The letter O says, ah. So we're going to start with that, and then I do have a different card that we'll go over. Okay. So let's go through this first. Letter O says, ah. Let's do that together. Get ready. What does letter O say? Ah. Again, get ready. Ah. One more time. Get ready. Ah. And by yourself. Get ready. Nice job saying ah. So I have 3 pictures here that start with the ah sound. Ah. Ah. Octopus. Let's do that together. Get ready. Ah. Ah. Octopus. Again, get ready. octopus. One more time, get ready. Octopus. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. So we have octopus. That starts with the sound. We also have this one. Ostrich. That's a pretty big bird. So this is how we're going to sound out ostrich. Ostrich. Let's do it together. Get ready. Ostrich. Notice how my mouth is opening to make kind of that same shape. Let's try that again. Get ready. Ostrich. One more time. Get ready. Ostrich. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. All right, we also have another animal here. We have this cute little otter. All right, watch how I sound it out. Otter. Let's do it together. Get ready. Otter. Again. Otter. One more time. Otter. And do it by yourself. Get ready. I have one last picture for you. Where did I put it? Oh, there it is. All right. We have a picture of, these are probably something not a lot of you are familiar with, but these are overalls. It's kind of like jeans, but they come over the shoulder. All right. So, overalls. That doesn't really sound like otter. I hear O in the front, kind of like its name. So, sometimes our letter O says its name. It says O. So let's practice that together with our sound card here. So I'm going to add a little line over top. So when you see this symbol, the line over top of the O, it's going to say its name. So for this one I say O. Let's do that together. Get ready. O. Again, get ready. O. One more time, get ready. O. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. All right, so for this picture, overalls, watch me sound it out. O. Overalls. Let's do that together. Get ready. O. Overalls. Again, get ready. O. Overalls. One more time, get ready. O. Overalls. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. So we know, how to write the letter O, and we know what two sounds the letter O makes. And O. So we are going to continue practicing with the letter O here. Hope this video helped. Bye everyone.